So I just had a crash while I was testing my failsafe. So everything here on the GPS rescue settings are correct in the ports tab and in the configuration tab. However, what I failed to account was that I did not have this set up properly. So I normally set this to hold, so that it takes a couple of seconds for GPS rescue to kick in. So before that happens, it goes to stage 1. Prior to it going to GPS rescue, it was going 0 throttle. It was dropping the signals, so the throttle was dropping. That means for several seconds your quad will be crashing through the air. So auto means that the roll, pitch, and yaw are moved to center stick, basically. And the problem here is that throttle is set to low, which basically means that you cut throttle to your quad, and that's why it's causing it to drop. So that's why you have to set it to hold instead of auto. So that's just a quick tip. Make sure at least your throttle is set to hold. Maybe if you have your angle set here, maybe you can set it to something like the default, which is, let's say, 1000, so that when it loses connection with your radio in the first place, it's going to level off. So that is a quick tip. So here I have it set to 1000, so it's going to go to angle mode. Depending on how you have it set, angle mode might be set to the maximum, so you should set that to 2000. But on mine, it's the angle mode is the default, so I'm going to set it to 1000. And and again, throttle is set to hold, so whatever the last throttle position is at, is just going to set it there. If you're doing level flight and you suddenly lose signal from with your quad, your radio loses signal with your quad, it's going to hold on the last throttle for the couple of seconds before it goes into GPS rescue mode, and that'll prevent your quad from dropping out of the air. Be sure to check out the full guide on how to set up GPS rescue on your quad down in the description below.